i-team offers a cutting-edge infection control cleaning system for aged care and health facilities to streamline processes, boost productivity and encourage higher staff morale, all while improving hygiene and cleanliness levels. This complete system starts with i-team's family of i-mops. Available in 3 sizes, this innovative scrubber dryer keeps floors clean and hygienic with maximum efficiency and minimum time and effort, and the data proves it. While traditional mopping methods struggle to bring contamination level below 200 and have an average dirt removing rating of as little as 40%, the i-mop shifts an impressive 97%, helping you achieve well under the recommended contamination score of 100. You'll be amazed how much dirt it picks up. It's fast too. The i-mop cleans up to 2,300 square meters per hour, up to 6 times as quick as regular mopping. Thanks to its design, enjoy up to double the cleaning power of conventional scrubbers, 360-degree maneuverability, and the ability to get into tight spaces not possible with a bulky machine, all with minimal exertion, reducing the risk of worker injuries. It's greener too, using 75% less water and chemicals than other scrubbers. Twin brushes rotate at up to 500 RPM, giving incredible hygiene improvements. Color-coded to prevent cross-contamination, simply switch them out to ensure you've got the right brush or pad to work on any hard floor, including stone, vinyl, tiles, timber, epoxy kitchen floors and other non-slip surfaces. And since the i-mop runs on interchangeable long-lasting batteries, there's no power cord to trip over. Extra rechargeable battery packs also mean the i-mop can operate 24/7 with 0 downtime. The i-mop is just the start of i-team's complete healthcare cleaning system. Efficiency begins with the family of i-land janitor stations, which transports your i-mop and all manual cleaning supplies you need, meaning no constant returning to the cleaning cupboard. It'll even charge your batteries for devices such as the i-mop or cordless i-vac while on the go. Our battery-powered vacuum cleaners provide a safer way to clean, minimizing trip hazards while still boasting amazing suction power. With no power cable to plug in, it's as simple as switch on, start cleaning. i-team's i-scrubs are ideal for areas that require smaller devices. Our range of portable micro scrubbers deep clean hard-to-reach spaces such as stairs, around sinks and behind toilet bowls. With an adjustable head that can rotate 360 degrees, it's so flexible you can clean at any angle. An integrated black light on the iScrub 26 helps you check cleanliness at the touch of a button, ensuring surfaces are spotless. Manual mopping doesn't mean maximum exertion either. The i-fiber system reduces germs up to 99% thanks to the unique Trio Split technology, boasting 3 times the cleaning power of traditional microfiber. It's also fully color-coded to reduce the risk of cross-contamination. In addition, the i-air significantly improves indoor air quality in critical areas of up to 500 square meters. Its dual filter system removes up to 99.99% of dangerous airborne particles, viruses and harmful bacteria, creating healthy, clean and fresh airflow in your facility. With our range of products and industry know-how, i-team can tailor a personalised solution to help you achieve optimum infection control and the highest cleaning results in your facility, all backed with data. Get ready to work faster, cleaner, safer, greener, better. Contact us to learn more. Head to i-teamanz.com.